What if you could run a vision language model that does image captioning, object detection with bounding boxes, multilingual understanding, and function calling, all in 450 million parameters locally on your machine running on CPU? This is a claim of this model from Liquid AI, which we are going to install in this video and we are going to test it out. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. You can see that we have been covering these Liquid AI models from day one. Everyone knows about it except Liquid AI. But anyway, also the tool which I'm going to use for this video is VLLM. You can use SGLang, you can use transformers, but I'm just going to use this one as I already have it installed and it is pretty performant. If you don't know what VLLM is and how to get it installed, just search my channel and you should be able to get it installed in no time. So coming back to this model, this is just 450 million parameters. It's a refreshed small language model built on their LFM2.5 350 million language backbone paired with a SIGLIP 86 million vision encoder. It is not a standard transformer. Liquid AI uses their own recurrent architecture. It handles images up to 512 by 512 natively, tiles larger images into patches, and also supports 9 languages, and also have added bounding box prediction and function calling on top of the original release. So let's test it out, that how much water it holds. I think the best use case of these models is only on edge devices for maybe basic to medium vision tasks. Let's try it out. I'm going to use this Ubuntu server. I will just be using it on my CPU. One thing you would need is you would need to install transformers. So let me install it. While it installs, please also follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates, and goes without saying to become a member and like the video and subscribe. And if you're looking to rent a VM, CPU or GPU on very good prices, you can not only find the link to Master Compute in video's description, but also a 50% discount coupon. And the transformer is installed. Let me show you my VLLM version. Should be any latest or recent one. And there you go. So this is all what we needed to install. Let me now serve this model locally. And the command is fairly simple, where we are using this VLLM with only context window of 1K, and that should be, decent enough for this smallish model. The model is getting downloaded. It's a very small model. The model is now being served. Let me quickly show you my CPU, memory, and also maybe a VRAM, because I have a GPU on this server. I'm just going to run this NV top in another terminal. There you go. So nothing is running on my GPU. And let me show you my CPU and memory. There you go. So this is, I know it's a beefy one, but you know what, you can run it easily on a very decent sort of, you know CPU or memory. So let me quickly show you the consumption. So you see, it's minimal. The model is fully being served at the moment. Okay, so now we know our resource consumption. Let me open my GUI. Okay, so the model is now running. Let's do first vision task. I'm going to select an image from my local system. And by the way, you can see that I'm running it in my open web UI. So I'm just going to go and upload this flag here. Maybe I'll just, sorry, let me quickly do that. I'm sorry, I'm just searching for um, any flag. Maybe I'll go with this one. Now, this flag could be of Indonesia or it could be of Monaco. Let me ask it. Um, which country this flag belongs to? Should be fun. And the model has come up with a very unexpected answer. It says that it belongs to this small island nation. I think it's an island nation of Sao Tome and Principe. So let's check it out. I really don't know, so I'll just quickly check it in front of you. And where are the images? These are the images. South Domain Princip flag. You see, it's a totally different flag. So our our 450 model, sorry, there you go. It has got it totally wrong. Anyway, we will overlook this. We will check out another prompt. Now I'm going to do the multilingual OCR in all 9 languages this model supports. So English, Arabic, French, German, all the ones. So you see, I have written sentences in those languages, and we even have labeled those languages. So I'm going to ask it identify all languages and transcribe each sentence. Let's see what model produces. Okay, input length. I will. Okay, so it is just going with 1024. Maybe I will reserve it with maybe a bit more. Okay, just give me a sec. And now the model has given me the response. I would say decent result for a 450 meg model. English, French, German, Portuguese, and Spanish transcribed accurately, in my opinion. Arabic failed, it couldn't read the script and hallucinated. Japanese and Korean also failed, producing garbled wrong text. Chinese is missing entirely from the output. So 5 out of 9, I think it's okay. I think non-Latin scripts are clearly a weak point, and again I'll show you this image which I gave it to this model. If you are that native language speaker, please also confirm in the comments. Next up, let's test out the bounding box feature of the model. So I'm just going to give it this AI generated image uh, of this girl holding a banana. Let me ask it to detect all instances of a person. Banana responses must be in this JSON array, and these are the coordinates which should be normalized. So let's see if it is able to do that or not. By the way, bounding boxes are simply rectangular coordinates that mark the exact location of an object, and from experience I can tell you it has done quite a good job in terms of bounding box, and the speed was also quite good. And let's do one final test. I'm going to give it this AI generated image of yours truly, and I'm asking it which movie this image reminds of. Okay, it says that from a movie or TV with the correct, so it couldn't really figure out, maybe the training set. We can let it go, but I think it is acknowledging that it is challenging to accurately identify. But it says it does show a prominent figure with distinctive attire, which could be associated with certain genre or historical periods. Well, it has taken me as a prominent figure, so maybe I will just give it some flying colors. Anyway, so look, I think decent enough model for edge cases, for basic vision tasks on your edge device. This could be a good option. Let me know your thoughts. Again, please follow me on X and like the video and subscribe. And if you have any comments on the model, please feel free to put it in the comments. Thank you for all the support.